Annyeong. Hi. If you don't know me yet, my name is Crystal, living in Boracay, a 22-year-old college dropout and choose to work then study. I guess a lot of you asking why I stopped pursuing my dream diploma and course. Kung alam niyo lang, gustong-gusto ko talaga makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at makamit ang diploma. Sa tuwing may nagtatanong po sa akin na saan ka nagtapos, saan ka nag-aral, sorry pero nahihiya po ako, Miss Karen. Ay, charot lang. Parang iba. Huy! Naiiyak ako, syempre nasasaktan, nalulungkot, nangihinayang at dismayado sa sarili. Na sana magtatapos na ako ngayon. Na sana nakatawagan na ako ngayon. The main reason is lack of financial support. Hindi kaya na pamilya na pag-aralin ako. At di ko sila sinisisi dahil hindi nila kaya. Dahil nauunawaan ko din ang sitwasyon. So, I went here in the island to apply for a job. Kung nakita nyo ang previous video ko about my first day here, sa beach po ako natutulog for 4 days while naghahanap ng trabaho. And yes, pumunta ako dito, napamasahe lang talaga ang dala. Yung main purpose ko talaga ay mag-send ng application form sa civil service exam dahil na-miss out ko ang day ng sending of application sa Kalibo. So, struggle-free talaga ang 4 na araw for me. Thanks God, He sends angel to offer some food and allowances. Then, may napasukan akong hotel at nag-housekeeping ako for almost 2 weeks then. On ko lang ako kaya kapag kailangan, dun lang tatawagan. Always running out of allowances so, pahirapan talaga. It much more hardened for me because my tooth aches painfully and I have no choice. I had to go to the dentist and remove the tooth immediately. Just then, I asked for help from my family. Thanks to them, they never let me down here. After tooth extracted, I took rest for 2 days and continued looking for work. I didn't even have peso left in my pocket. I could lugaw every day to feed my hungry tummy. Up until I saw a post of German owner with Dragon. That day, he invited me to his house and got interviewed. Luckily, got hired. Yeah, this is it. He automatically wanted me to move in his house so I could work conveniently and easy. I said yes. God is great. Thank you, Lord. Di mo ako po nabayaan. What did I do to deserve this kind of blessing? So, natutulog lang ako sa beach last week. Ngayon, nasa 3 patong na kama na ako. I'm so happy. Dating stockroom lang ang lupahan ko. Mainit. Daming lamok. Ngayon ay nasa malinis komportable at free lang ang tinutulugan ko. Sa middle nga na interview namin, I introduced to my employer that I do side hustles while still looking for work. I introduced to him my sandwiches, how it made, how I sell, and who is my target market. And checking he is interested in it. So we planned, and here's how I do it. We did dry run also sa product namin. At first day, normally di pa talaga siya ma-recognize ng marami. So we give it as a free days to customers like security cards and ask for feedbacks to help us improve the product. Kahit free taste yung iba hindi, pero ang mga nakatikim na ay halos positive ang feedbacks. Meron din ilan na for them daw, mas masarap kapag walang cucumber. For me lang din, mas pinasarap and crunchy ng cucumber ang sandwich. It added twist on the product. But overall, it was good. The owner also suggested that we should change the product packaging because it looks unpresentable for him. Today, we just practice making other products and try out to figure how it works. Just like chocolate and how to make atanghulu while waiting to our new packaging. First day, 12 hours working and yeah, it was a great day. Stay positive and keep hydrated. Acha, fighting.